Alright, so I got this Logitech Unifying USB and it doesn't work too well. I kind of checked around a couple different stores and it's about 20 bucks Canadian to replace. And I could, but I googled it, checked it out on YouTube, found a video where a guy fixed it, and I thought, oh great, I'm going to give that a try. So first thing you got to do with this thing to repair it is you got to take a knife or some kind of X-Acto blade, and just between the white plastic and the black, you just gotta work a knife in there. It's got some glue that's in there, and you just gotta pop that off. Okay. Oh. So I already did mine, so it's a little bit easier. And then once you've popped that part, you're gonna take a pair of pliers. You probably don't need one for both sides, but just be careful because I scratched it right along here. And then you just take a pair of pliers, grab it here, and then pull like that. So the problem that normally happens, from what it sounds like, is the contacts on the inside are a little bit too low to connect with the inside of the USB. So what we're going to do is we're going to shim it up with some paper. It took a bit of trial and error to find the right size. So I think I folded it. I grabbed this, it's a thinner paper. Sorry about my nails, I was working on a car earlier. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 folds in it. And it's a little long, but for when I was doing trial and error, that was perfect. I tried with a bigger one, and with the bigger one, the chip will actually sit above the plastic, that white plastic. You want it right in line with that white plastic there. So pull it out. Got our piece of paper that I pre-made. And I did have to do quite a bit of trial and error with the paper size. When it's too small, it doesn't work, and when it's too big, it doesn't fit in the USB slot. One thing that I noticed is you can see between the metal and this white plastic, let's see if I can get a good angle. Yeah, it's just kind of angled up a little bit, and I think that that's what's pushing it downwards. But with this fix right here, we'll slide this back in, and then make sure that it's in there far enough, and make sure that the white plastic there, the green plastic here is pretty much flush. Mine's a little high, but I just don't want to do it again. And then on the back side here, make sure it's all the way back in on the back here. I didn't really tell you, but also make sure that the chip is facing the right way. The prongs go up. The little chip goes on the bottom. And then we'll pop it back together and give it a go. I might put a little dab of glue on there just to see. Alright, give it a go. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Alright, well, that's how you do it. Maybe a dab of glue just to put it back together, because the top keeps popping off. But yeah, best of luck. Save me 20 bucks.